Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find friend settings on your accounts on Roblox. Easy and quick. First, click here. Here as you see you will find friend settings, click on it. And here you can manage your friend settings. You can see here friend requests. You can here search on any friend you want. And that's it, that's how to find friend settings. And uh, that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.